Physical AI is bottlenecked by data, but unlike digital AI, this data can't be scraped from the internet. It must be created. At Nferent AI, we are building that data. We are developing the data engine powering physical intelligence, generating millions of hours of high-quality interaction data across diverse environments, tasks, and objects. In our Gurugram lab, we prototype data collection methods. Then we scale them through first-person human demonstrations, instrumented capture systems, and leader-follower robotic setups. We don't just record motion, we capture meaning. Every interaction is enriched with intent, task structure, and failure modes. From simple manipulation to complex, dexterous procedures, we are creating datasets that teach robots not just what to do, but how to reason through action. This is more than data generation. We are building the infrastructure layer for physical AI, structuring motion, grounding intelligence in the real world, and unlocking the next generation of autonomous systems.